feels betrayed by what Solomzi did and kicks him out of her family home and goes to confront Nolita why she slept with Solomzi and asks Chuma goes, how could you allow this? And Ofeda says that Nolita doesn't deserve to be a mother. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. Unandi was shocked with Solomzi the day that he dished dinner naye. He was actually with Unolita, so he rejected her because of Unolita. The pain in her eyes when she said that you ditched me to be with Nolita, you rejected me, could not even touch me because you were busy sleeping with Nolita. All this time I was a fool thinking that Chuma is busy attacking you. And Chuma had every right because you went there, and then everyone's now watching. Martha, no Siamtanda, no Rebecca is there, no Kanyiso, no Ngunzi. And then Unandi says, you know what? I want nothing to do with you. We can fix this as there's nothing to be fixed. You made sure of that. And the two of you, please stay away from me. Yeah, no Rebecca and Chad. And then gets home, packs up his things. Afiyeke uSolomzi gives him impahla zakhe saying, get out of my house. Pumala at Solomzi, I hope one day you'll forgive me. And then comes back again the following day just to check on her as please don't act like you care about me because you do not care. Gives him a total dress that Solomzi bought for her to go to the dinner with Rebecca. Gives it to him saying, go give it to Nolita or whoever else you are sleeping with. And then Unandi tells Umam Nomsa ukuthi uSolomzi slept with Nolita. Mam Nomsa was shocked saying how why is Chuma still there? Chuma must just divorce this girl. Akanasmilo, man. And then Nandi decides to go and confront Nolita, asking her, why did you sleep with Solomzi? And says with Chuma, now just realized, you are the problem, because how can you allow your wife to sleep with another brother, another one of your brothers, and we're not Chuma is shocked, who told you this? Because they agreed because they're going to keep it under wraps. And then says to Unolita was up on her face, going on about you need to look yourself in the mirror, check yourself because all your men are coming to me. It means there's something wrong with you. That's why you don't have a baby. That's why you don't have a child. You want this thing on my back? That's forever. I'm a daughter. They come and go. I think this is why you don't have a baby. God so good to you have vile. That's why he took your baby away from you. You don't deserve to be a mother. Wasala speechless Unolita. And then Uvelaphi almost got shot by Uchuma because Uchuma was on guard and taking care of Gaduma wake from Amapara. Uvelaphi comes in egcoke hoodie nesigqoko and Uchuma was not seeing good to yena. And then Uchuma finally found the guys, Amapara away, the ones that stole Makrevga Mawake and brought them to her. Waqasuka Mawake and just like shouted at them and told them to leave. And then they beg Tenjiwe because she must come back home because there's no way they're leaving their mother like this. Tenjiwe because she's going to come back home. Ezohlala noma wakhe. Angasajabulanga umam Nomsa and thanked her for agreeing to come back. Manje Bulelani almost swallowed gold yakhe because it also came out. So this is the second person now. First was that boy, now it's Bulelani. Ucishe waklinya gold yakhe. Umatsituzo was scared. She's even thinking of going to open funeral cover. Then she finds Unganyiso at the funeral parlor saying, I hope that they put 2 and 2 together and see actually I'm a gold about away dumbu. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.